say if you put a sheet over it, it'll get steamy, but it's possible I missed them. Some of them actually were 6 and a half.
The middle of each rafter, the middle of the piece of wood.
Actually, it was supposed to be 12 inches actually.
I did it wrong.
And then I put a string in between the two nails
Inches into the rafter. And
there already, so I decided not to double up. Tape. So I decided to use these. So I'm just gonna cut it on top with this knife. So I'll cut it like half an inch and go down there, all the way down. 45-degree angle one way, 45-degree angle another way. 45 degree here, 45 degree there. And then when they bend, but there would be space behind this part on the other end. Not all the way in. Not touching. A lot of area to nail to. Sometimes there's nothing to nail underneath. You'd have to reach further, at least 45 degrees on each side. In order to bend it, I'll cut this. Will get bent like this. And then this part has to be at least 4 inches to go on the. That piece was folded on like that. Rain would, I guess, would maybe go underneath. Just swing at it. This part doesn't bubble up because if you put the rest in, it doesn't get driven onto the wood.